swimming. I was swimming as fast as I could.
Tia Coleman lost 9 members of her family when this duckboat capsized and sank in stormy weather on Table Rock Lake in Branson, Missouri. Speaking from her hospital bed, she recounts the harrowing moment when everything changed.
There's big, huge waves, choppy, and everybody started getting like, hey, this is a little bit too much. And then it got really choppy and big swells of water started coming into the boat. Then a really huge wave swept over, and when that wave swept over, the last thing I heard my sister-in-law yell was, grab the baby.
Coleman lost her 3 children, her husband, mother-in-law, father-in-law, her uncle, sister-in-law, and nephew. In all, 17 people were killed when the boat sank. Life jackets were on the boat, but Coleman says the captain told passengers they didn't need to put them on.
We were told to stay seated, and everybody stayed seated. Nobody grabbed it. When that boat is found, all those life jackets are going to be on there, because nobody pulled one off. You weren't supposed to grab them unless you were in distress, which we were, but he told us we don't need them.
The captain and 13 others survived the incident. A severe thunderstorm warning had been in effect when the boat sank. The owner of the tour company says the vessel should not have been on the water in those conditions.